Good morning everyone. Today we will learn about magnets. What is magnet? Did you know what is magnet? Okay. Magnet is a material that attracts iron containing object. What? Iron containing object. Okay. Now the types of magnet. What? Types of magnet. There is two types of magnet. One is artificial. One is artificial magnet and second is natural magnet. What? Natural magnet. Okay. Natural magnet means वो magnet जो naturally हमें मिलता है, like lodestone. Okay. रॉक होते हैं, ऐसे रॉक होते हैं जो naturally हमें provide होते हैं. और artificial means this is our artificial magnet. Okay. It is man-made magnet. That is called artificial magnet. Okay. This is bar magnet. What? Bar magnet. This is disc magnet. Disc magnet. Okay. This is ring magnet. What? Ring magnet. Ring magnet. It is U-shaped magnet. What? U-shaped magnet. It is also called horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe. Yes, it is also called horseshoe and U-shape. Okay, you can see U-shape. Poles of a magnet. Poles means magnet has two poles. How many? Two poles. One is north and one is south. Okay, one is north pole and one is south pole. You know that magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. You can see S. S means south pole. N means north pole. Okay, north and south pole. You can see. N means north. S means south. And always north pole is always red in color. Okay, and south pole is always blue in color. Poles are located at the two ends of magnet. Magnet का जहाँ पे ends होगा वहाँ पे poles located रहेंगे. You can see ends. Okay, so they are located at the two ends of magnet always. Okay. What are two poles of magnet? Which? North pole and south pole. North pole and south pole. North pole in which color? Red in color. And south pole in which color? Blue in color. Okay. And they are located at the end of the magnet. They are located. We will learn about to demonstrate that maximum magnetic strength lies on the poles of a magnet through activity. Okay. Materials required one horseshoe magnet. What is horseshoe magnet? And iron fillings. Iron fillings के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे U-pins ली है. That is iron fillings. Okay. That is pure iron fillings and a horseshoe magnet. And spread on the paper. Stop. Iron fillings you can see here. Okay. Most of the iron fillings here, north and south.